I'm going to take this tray that I had previously painted white. I'm going to decoupage some winter little chickadees on it and give it a holiday slash winter theme. Now you can get these napkins on Etsy. There's quite a few different sellers who have them with different types. I'm going to use these paints, this pale blue and this silver, along with our trusted friend Mod Podge. So the first thing I'm going to do is peel back the 2 layers. So this is a 3-ply napkins, they typically are. And the test of your patience will be getting both of these off, and you do need to peel both of them off. And it can be a little challenging. I promise I will get it apart. Maybe I should speed up this section. I will occasionally speed up certain segments so things go a little quicker for us all. Okay. I lied, I didn't speed it up, but here, I finally got it. And I'm going to peel it away. So the top layer that you're going to be using is very thin, so you need to handle it with care, and you need to kind of tear off the other layers very gently, a little bit of tension so it doesn't tear. Now I'm going to take some very sharp scissors and start trimming out the images that I want to use. Then I'm going to decoupage. And this can take a few minutes, a little patience. It doesn't have to be perfect unless you want it to be perfect. And I like these little chickadees. I get a lot of chickadees at my house in the winter time. They like to congregate at the bird feeder. Okay, so I have one of my little birdies cut out, and I'm just gonna get an idea of where I would like to place these once I cut them all out. I think I will start around the edges and work around that way. Now I finished cutting out a bunch of my little chickadees, and I've arranged them on the platter where I think I would like to decoupage them. So now I'm going to get out my Mod Podge, give it a little shake, pour some out in my little cup, and get ready to decoupage. Put some on my brush. I don't need a lot. I'm kind of guesstimating where I'm going to put it, and put the image back over it, the napkin back over it, and then just touch up where I need to touch up with Mod Podge. Tap it down gently, and you have to be very gentle. Once the tissue, the napkin, gets wet with Mod Podge, it can tear very easily. So you want to just be very delicate. I'm dabbing around the edges, making sure it is down and adhered. And I will take plastic or a sandwich bag and try to rub out the bubbles. This is a little trick you can do, and just peel it off gently so it doesn't stick to your plastic, and touch up again as needed. And then I'm going to work my way around the plate in whatever direction I feel inspired to. So here we go. all the chickadees are decoupaged onto the platter. So then we wait. There's a lot of waiting and crafting, waiting for something to dry. And it looks nice so far. I am pleased with it, but I think it needs something else. So I'm going to add some blue paint around the edges. It's probably going to take more than one coat. That's okay. I have time. And I think this will help give it a pop of color. And after it dries, we will add another. Oh, and there it is. There's our second coat. And I think it covered really nicely. But now I'm going to go around the edges with this white pearl just to give it a little luster when the light catches it. And I don't know if you can see it, how it is making it up. And here is my supervisor. This is my cat. He likes to make an appearance every now and then. If you see a little sparkle on the pine cones and on the chickadees, you're not seeing anything. They are actually there. I decided to give it a little sparkle. So I took some glitter paint and just dabbed it on different areas to catch the light. I used this silver and this gold, and you really can't tell the difference, but it does add a sparkle. And I kind of like it. So there we have some sparkly pine cones. And we are in the home stretch of this project. I'm going to put some more Mod Podge around just to protect it so it doesn't get scratched. And here is the final product. For display, I could put some candles, a dish of candy. I could have it displayed just as it is. I could change it out. I can display it up against a wall on a shelf. There's different things I could do with this. You can get charger plate type things at like Hobby Lobby, and you can do something similar yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe.